I'm Scott the Nature Guy, and it's a winter wonderland. It's snowing. Isn't it beautiful? When the atmospheric temperature is at or below freezing, 32 degrees, any moisture up in the air is going to freeze. Depending on the temperature, frozen water droplets can fall as snowflakes, ice pellets, or sleet. Snow forms when the tiny ice crystals in the clouds stick together to form snowflakes. If enough of these crystals stick together, they become heavy enough to fall to the ground. Usually the smaller the snowflakes, the colder it is, and the bigger they are, the warmer it is. An inch of rain can equal a foot of snow. Snow can actually act as an insulation from the cold for some plants and animals. Snow is really important to gardeners as it collects minerals in the air and deposits them on the earth. It also protects the soil from washing away. A lot of animals hibernate in the winter, but some animals stay out no matter what. Food can be really hard to find in the snow, so it's important to help out your animal friends with some extra food. Both the air and the ground temperature make a big difference. If the ground temperature is as cold as the air, the snow will stick. If the ground is warmer than the air, it will melt. Snow is not only beautiful, but it's fun to play in. Hopefully you can get out and have some fun in the snow. Until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy.